Logitech has unveiled its most advanced webcam yet in India, the Logitech NX Brio. This addition to the NX series, known for its high-quality keyboards and mice, marks a significant expansion in Logitech's webcam lineup. The NX Brio offers unparalleled features, including a detachable design with USB-C connectivity, an 8.5 MP Sony Starvis image sensor for superior image quality, and support for 4K UHD resolution at 30 fps or 1080p 60 fps. It's equipped with advanced autofocus, eye-based image enhancement for low light conditions, and dual beamforming microphones that reduce background noise. The webcam also introduces a show mode for sharing content on your desk, and it's compatible with major operating systems and video calling software. Available in pale gray and graphite, the Logitech NX Brio is priced at Rs. 24,995 and can be purchased from Logitech's website.